Good morning, students. So today we are going to go through the lesson, the prose lesson, third, in celebration of being alive, is written by Dr. Christian Bernard. So in this lesson, I am going to explain widely. Listen to me very carefully. We can come to know some moral from this lesson as we see, as we learn from the unit 1 to Gentlemen of Verona. And now, so we can find in this lesson some moral. So nowadays, the critical situation like corona, like this, our government was insist that all the people should be very safe. We should ask the question why? Because they are telling us to be very safe in our lives, so that we can celebrate our lives. And now our life will be very valuable, so that if we were aware of this, and we can celebrate our lives very happily, so that our government insists to be very aware. And now what is the meaning for this in celebration of being alive? In Tamil, வாழ்வதற்காகவே கொண்டாடுவோம். And now here some now discuss about some glossary in this lesson. Glossary. Here consideration, meaning careful thought. And second one, prevalent, common. Third one, cripples, people with some disability, preventing them from performing certain moral functions. Fourth one, agony, extreme physical and mental suffering. Perforated, torn and damaged with holes, and ennobles, makes dignified, morally noble, nobility. And now seventh one, thrash around, to move about restlessly. Eighth one, sophisticated, well advanced. 9, mutilating surgery, meaning surgery involving removal of tissue even at the risk of worsening of the patient's condition. Grand Prix, one of several international motor racing events. Solace, comfort or consolation in times of grief or pain. Intrepid, bold and daring. Finale, climax or an exciting end. Disfigured, spoiled or marred in appearance. Malignant, very harmful to life. Tumor, diseased growth in some part of the body, some part of the body. Amputated, cut off by surgical operation. And next one, profound, the meaning is very great. As we know that this lesson was written by Dr. Christian Bernard. So we know about Christian Bernard, and he was the first man, first doctor to transplant heart surgery. And now you detail study about author, And Christian full name is Christian Neethling Bernard, was born in rural South Africa in 1922 to poor parents as their fourth child. And now he performed the world's first successful human heart transplantation in the year 1967. And he has penned some books, that is 14 books and 235 scientific articles. Some of his prominent books are, famous book is The Best Medicine and The Faith. This is it. And now this lesson was extracted from Dr. Bernard's speech. And as we know that he was the first man to transplant the heart surgery, and he came up in successful. And now his own experience he given in this lesson in celebration of being alive. So he given the title because in celebration of being alive he is, and now he is, I will give you some example, that is, for example, the man name is Durai, and he was called as oftenly Durai, and now after his death no one call it as take Durai after the death, the body. What the people will say? Take this body, that's all. Because why I am telling this? During this lifetime only, during we are alive, the people will call it as in the name. But after our death, and what we should be do? The people won't call it as a name. That's all. Because our life will be very valuable. Like this lesson, the in celebration of being alive, also only very valuable and precious lesson. We can learn more valuable lesson from this lesson. So, gist of the lesson. In celebration of being alive is an extract from a speech of Dr. Christian Bernard. He was the first doctor to perform of heart transplant surgery. So, I told you already, this lesson he taken his own experience, and one day he took the statistical data. In this world 125 million peoples are there, and now in this 6 million children or people are dying because of some reason, and now 6 million peoples are there, and they are dying some way or other, that is mentally or physically. And he was very much afraid and fear about this. And one day he and his wife went to one hotel to have a nice meal. On the way they were crossing the street, they met with an accident, and in that accident the Dr. Bernard lost his ribs, and not only that, his lungs was perforated. We already seen in the glossary, perforated means torn and damaged of lungs. During this accident, he lost his lungs perforated, and not only that, ribs also damaged. And now his wife also very much severely attacked. And now they both of them are admitted in the hospital. And in that hospital, the nurses are very caring. But now this author was very much fear and pain because of that wound. And not only that, his wife was, and both the couples having one small child, baby, and no one was caring, because these both of them are severely wounded because of the accident. Both of them are admitted in the hospital. And now here one day, and in that hospital he was remembering his father. The author was remembering his father was always saying one word, and that is, suffering was God's way making one noble. If the man was having some suffering or difficulties, problems, because these pain and sufferings was given by God, the same God will enable the man after the pain was over. The author father was always used to say that, but he was not agreeing his father's word, because he was a doctor. He was seeing every day, each and every day in his hospital, in his ward, so many children will be there, small baby children will be there, but they are crying because of severe wounds, accident, some or other way. They are very crying, but God was not enabling them. So his father words was not agreeing. And now he was admitted in the hospital. The pain was very severe, and his baby was also not caring, because his wife was also severely damaged because of this accident. And now, one day in this hospital, because they are both of them on hospitalization, one day in the hospital, the nurse was pulling the trolley and bringing some medicine, some meals to the patients. And now the nurse was feeling very tired, and she is also having some work. So what she did, she kept the trolley as it is in one place in the hospital, and she left on doing some work. And in these patients, many patients are there in the hospital, and many of them are children also will be there. And in this patient, the two children, and one was blind, and another was the arms are cut because of some accident. And these two boys, on seeing the nurse was leaving the trolley in one place, what they did, they suddenly get up from the bed and they went to the trolley, near to the trolley, and pulling and taking the trolley, and they are playing one man as a mechanic and another one as a driver. And the mechanic was the blind man, and the driver also, the boy was cutting the arms because of some accident. And now what they did, they went and they acting like this, and they are pulling some trolley, this trolley which was that is putting by this nurse. And what happened in the situations, this happening was seeing every other patient, those who are lying on the bed, And now I am seeing that, and they are playing very naughtily, the boys are very naughty, and they are playing here and there, they are going some other and some place, and they are very happy, and they were not keeping quiet for some minute also. On seeing these boys are very happy, because the boy was not having the eyes also, he was a blind, and not carrying, he was a blind, and he was very much interesting to play in this trolley. The same way, the arms also, those who are, the boy was not having arm because of some accident, and now he is also playing very much, very happily, and now all the patients are and coming around that and encouraging the boys to play very fastly and go and here and there the trolley. And now these boys also very eagerly, very interestingly, very happily they are playing, and now all the players, all the patients are very happily, the boys, seeing the boys, those who are playing very, and now they come to the conclusion that they learn, all the patients are learn the lesson that we should not care because of the pain and fear what we have. What we have to do, because God given us the lives, this precious, the valuable life. So what we have to do, we have to use your life. We should not waste because of some difficulties, some problems. We should face it, these problems, how to come up in these difficulties, problems. We should not think about our problems are very heavy and very more, because in this world many people will be there and having more problems, more difficulties, more pain in these lives. Because we are having small pain, we should think it always, this is only small. We should not think it big. If we think it should be big, we should be having very heavy loss of it. So, on seeing the boys, the author, Dr. Christian Bernard, was learned that the lesson, we should not worry, pain, fear about the difficulties in lives. We should come up in life, face the difficulties, and come up as a successful lives. And here we should not think it pain. And now this is the gist of the lesson. Tomorrow we will going to see summary, and same way question answer, and same the paragraph, synonyms, antonyms also. So like Dr. Christian Bernard, the students, we should not have disappoint ourselves. If you are having some difficulties in student life, we should face it, we should come up, we should study thoroughly and get a good marks. We should not disappoint as we disappoint previously like Christian Bernard, and we should be very much encouragement, and we should have courage in our life, faith in our life, self-confidence in your life, willpower in your life, so we may come up in life like this blind boy, and same the arms, the boy one was not having arms. So because they are selected what they can play the role in the character. The blind boy was playing the mechanic. And the same way, the boy one was not having the boy, the only one hand will be there, and he took as a driver. How the boy's way selected the correct, this particular character role in the life, so that we should come up in life, what we can achieve, we can able to achieve, and so that as a students you are also choose what you can do, that you must select, and you should come up in life like these boys, and you may live your life very happily and very enjoyably and entertainably as a happy one. Thank you. Tomorrow we will going to see summary of this lesson, synonyms and antonyms of this lesson, and a short answer from the lesson, and paragraph of the lesson. Thank you one and all.